Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now is 2nd of February 2018 and today is right now it's about 1 o'clock, 9 minutes past 1 o'clock. So how is it that you're doing? How are the trades? Did you see some of the biggest falls today? Some of the biggest fall, like in PVR Limited, there was a huge fall. In PC Dweller, there was a huge fall. Look at it. I mean, the huge, huge falls that you have been looking into. And this is what I have been warning you for so long. I don't know how many of you hear me. See, this was the fall in PC Dweller. Then Rel Cap, right? Every stock that you talk about, they had a huge, 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 you know, fall. Every stock beautifully falling down, like, so these are the run-ups in the downward direction stocks have had today. Now how are you guys feeling? Somebody was saying, looking at the PC, when I was conducting my webinar, somebody was saying that looking at PCJ is giving me, I'm scared at it. I said, because you must be on the buy side. Had you been on the sell side, you would have been enjoying the party that's happening, right? And I was in the sell side. You remember, I discussed SBIN with you yesterday. I was in the, actually, I had bought put of SBIN and I sold it at 13 rupees. You can see the peak that it had made today is 13, and precisely that's where I sold. I'll show you my order book in a while, right? And also I had put off 11,900. I had 600 put, so we enjoyed really, really good money today. Now I have taken 11,800 put. So let's see. So I'll show you here my order book. I have SBIN I sold at 13 rupees. You can see it over here. Nifty puts I had 450. I sold at 150 rupees. Now I have Henry Nifty, another series of put 10,800 at 106 rupees. It's right there only. And see my today's profit, 37,000 rupees, right? Abhi, I'm just expecting, this Nifty to also fall further. If it goes down 10, 20 points, I'm sure I'll be in good profit today. I mean, at least 6,000 profit, I'm definitely expecting from these puts. So, guys, if you trade in the, like, you must be, I'm getting so many messages, so many texts, so many this thing, that why are you not giving calls on Stock Pro channel? The reason for that is market is lifetime high. I will not give it on Monday. I will not give it on Tuesday. I'll start from Wednesday onwards. Finding out the breakout stocks. If you join our webinar, we'll teach you how do you do the trades of shorting. Many of my members have earned good money by shorting, these trades. Even I showed you, I have good this 37,000 rupees profit. And as I told you, you can see it also. Even Nifty will definitely go down head 100 points. No, no, not 100 points, at least 10, 20 points here. And if it does so, I'm sure this trade of mine will also give me good profit, right? So understanding the direction is one of the very, very important aspect. You have to learn, you have to understand, you have to learn from the experts who understand the market. And we teach you in all the segments. So I mean, nowadays, you guys are, I don't know why you're expecting calls every day. When the market is going up, we give it, but when it's going down, we can't give you anything. So, but that doesn't mean that our accuracy is low. You've seen in today's downtrend also, we have huge profits in our pocket. Not only me, every single member has been earning money, right? So, um, we will teach you entry and exit. Your entry and exit has to be extremely correct, right? If you trade in the right direction, you can never be in losses. So, I just did a few trades only. This you must be remembering my yesterday's video and the day before's video of SBIN. I'm telling you time and again that I'm expecting it to go down, and I explained you yesterday also. Why did I do that? Because this is where, it had the bearish engulfing candle, then the price rejection, then yesterday piercing candle, and today the candle has gone below. Right now, there could be a possibility for us to exit. Reason for that is it is on a support, right? It is on a support. SBIN is on a support. If at all it further goes down, how much can we expect it to go down, right? So it, wherever it is right now, from there about 5 or 6 more points, SBIN can further go down. That's what I'm expecting. All right, but let's talk about Nifty and see where can it go. So when the morning, when it opened in the morning, so what did I do? I marked its morning range, right? I marked morning range of Nifty, right? And here, after that, when I saw it's breaking with volume, see here, it broke it with volume. I continued in this particular trade till again I saw, the huge momentum came in, and then I exited my position at somewhere around, I think 150 or something. I exited. So these are how, this is how convincingly and convenient trades we do. I have no emotional attachment when I'm trading. If it fits into my setup, I trade. If it doesn't fit into my setup, I don't trade. Right? So those special setups we will teach you. Those special setups we will teach you, and you will understand. Like as I told you yesterday, a method will come into the madness. Whatever you see the market so random, right? Something going up, something going down. But when we will teach you, you will understand how beautiful market is. Absolutely clear. There is nothing that is unclear. So, as I told you, I've been warning you time and again, stay out of the market. So, Vakarangi is in the downtrend. It has been just falling down. Lower circuit today, right? Then, similarly, solid Marubozu candles. PCJ was in the down direction. Then, PVR was in the downward direction. All Reliance stocks were in down direction. See here, yes, bank was in down direction. So this correction was needed. If the market will not correct, how will it go up? Right? Correction in the market is just dial. Look at just dial, about good 11% correction. In one single day, it had such a huge correction. I mean, it bounced back, but it was a huge correction. Right? So about fires, it gives you a lot of features, because we are not doing anything. It gives you a lot of features here. The features are basically, you get to see the market dynamics, how the market dynamics are changing. Where is the huge shorting happening? At Bajaj Finance, it's 4% down. Then there are 9 stocks which are between 2 to 4% down, right? Maruti, Reliance, HDFC, Kotak Bank, etc. Then buy side mein, there are 11 stocks that you get from here, and then you get to see the long build up, the short build up, the short covering, and the profit booking. All these stocks you get handy, right? Then heat map tells you what is happening in the market. You can see the entire market is bleeding, right? And if you just click on this, you will get to see GMR Infra and the rain industries are heavily dark, heavy selling in GMR Infra. Let's see what's happening in GMR Infra. So see, stocks have been going up and up and up relentlessly, right? They have to come down. See the beautiful selling that has come. GMR Infra. So all this fire gives you a complete picture. By looking at it only, you can find out. Rain Industries, Grasim, all these are in the sell zone. Real estate, DLF is bleeding, right? Whereas Godrej Properties is doing good. Industrial Cummins India is black, means it's definitely heavy selling is there. Adani Enterprises, BHEL, Graphite India, all these are heavily selling, right? Only ABB is positive. So this is how you can figure out, what's happening in various sectors using the fires, right? Fires is another platform like Zerodha, right? It's another platform like Zerodha, and I use it often to find out various trades. All right. So this is Nifty future, and as I told you, I'm on the short side. I've again bought puts. So they are pretty fine. They're doing pretty good. See, I'm 100% sure there should be some more selling that should come in. Okay. So my purpose of making video today is just to explain that if you understand the direction of the market, you will have no problem in generating profits. That is something I can say with confidence and with guarantee. And we'll teach you how do you understand the direction of the market, right? And you can, just by looking at our stance only, you know that we are clear about the directions of the market. Last 1 week, we have not given a single trade. Today also, we have not given you a trade. If at all we have done the trades of selling. So this is how clearly we understand when to stay out of the market, when one need to be in the market, right? So one more thing that we do, let's go to the option chain and see what's happening in the option chain. Let me refresh it and see, is there any change in the dynamics? So see here, there's a huge call writing happening at this level. Means Nifty is not going above 10,900. Where is it right now? 10,864. There's a huge amount of call writing happening here. And the put writing is happening at 10,800 level. It wasn't there, it has just come up. Means if Nifty goes down, it'll go only till 10,800 level, right? 10,800 level only it will go, right? So let's see. Nifty is trying to hold itself, defend its position right now, right? So my target here is not huge. I have put the boundaries of the candle. Can you see here? I have just marked the boundaries of the candle, right? If it goes below this, then though there is going to be a free fall, but otherwise it should not go above this pivot point, right? This should not, the price of the Nifty should not go above pivot point, right? So let's see. I have sold it, so it's fluctuating. Right now it's in negative. It was in positive. Now it's in negative. So let's see. Just few points and I will be in profit. Just a drop of few points and I will be in the profit, right? Let's see how it goes. So option chain tells me that the support is now at 10,800 and the freezing or seizing of the ceiling is at 10,900. So now Nifty is actually range bound. Nothing much is happening in Nifty. Many of the stocks have recovered from the bottom. I was looking at CanBank also. CanBank also had a massive fall. It's been falling down for so many days. And look at this solid candle today. It's been just falling down for so many days, right? So many trades are in making. Now what could be your stance next week? Look at some bottomed out stock. You may find a good entry in those stocks, right? Find out some good bottomed out stocks and you may have a good entry. Like see today, Goa Carbon is corrected, right? Goa Carbon has corrected below its support level. Flips Carbon is corrected, right? Below its support level. Good opportunity for you to enter in the stocks which are very nice stocks. If this correction doesn't happen, how will you create more position? How will you get the more profitable trades, right? So you have to have to have the profitable trades, to have the stocks on a support. The market has to correct, right? Market has to correct. So I'm happy that this correction has taken place because it will allow me to have an opportunity to enter in the market again. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you all. But listen, I keep saying until you take a decision, nothing will happen. Nothing will change in your life. You have to transform your financial status, right? And that you can only do when you resolve to do it, right? And we are starting now 10th of February. You can just immediately go to my website, contact my team, and they will help you in logging in and joining in, right? This is my website, stockprotraining.com. Go to the contact us, or first you can go to the webinar, go through the various details that are here, and then go to contact us, right? You can contact us through the various possibilities and our team will ensure that you are comfortable and we will ensure that you get the maximum benefit out of it. So what we have done, my members have also traded in SBI and put. Look at the beautiful fall it is having, right? We enjoyed a real great run. I think I can enter into right now and at least it'll give me 1 point today also. That's what I believe. And I'm sure this Nifty put will also give me a good profit within half an hour or so. It should give me good profit as well. Okay, so guys, good day, enjoy, keep learning, keep trading. Right now, let me figure out something where I can teach you something new. With this, I'm signing off, but I think my simple setup, I only don't know that much. I only know it gives me good profit. So please join and please learn. Right now, see here, SBIN is again experiencing resistance. So good opportunity for us to again do the shorting. Right. Bye bye. Good day. See you tomorrow. See you with no. See you on Monday. See you on Monday. Oh, one more thing. There could be a possibility that I may take a live session for you all, where you can ask me live questions and I can answer your live questions. Right. So there could be a possibility on this Sunday I take a live webinar with you all, everybody. Right. But only for questions and answers. Bye bye. Good day. See you on Monday.